In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert picture in a comment in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever wanted a quick visual reference to pop up when you hover over a cell, adding a picture to a comment is a handy trick. I'll walk you through it step by step, and I'll share a few tips along the way so your image looks clean and professional. Start by opening Excel and heading to the worksheet where you want the picture to appear. Click the specific cell you want to annotate. This ensures the comment you're about to create is anchored to the right place and will show up when you hover over that cell. Next, go to the Review tab on the ribbon. Click New Comment. A comment box will appear next to your cell. If you see any placeholder initials or text in that box, simply delete it so the box is empty. Clearing it now helps you see the image cleanly once it's applied. Now, move your mouse to the border of the comment box. Hover until your cursor changes into a 4-arrow crosshair, which means you're selecting the entire comment shape, not just the text area inside it. Right-click the border and choose Format Comment. If you don't see that option, your version of Excel may label this as a note instead of a comment. The process is the same. Just make sure you're formatting the box's shape. In the Format Comment dialog, switch to the Colors and Lines tab. This is where you control the fill of the comment box. Open the color dropdown, select Fill Effects, then go to the Picture tab. This tells Excel you want to fill the comment background with an image rather than a solid color or gradient. Click Select Picture, choose your image source, pick the image you want to use, and click Insert, then confirm by clicking OK and click OK again to close the Format Comment dialog. Your comment box will now use the selected image as its background. Finally, adjust the size so your image looks right. Click the comment's border and drag the corner or side handles to resize the box. Making the box larger reveals more of the picture. Making it narrower or taller changes how the image is cropped within the shape. You can also drag the box to reposition it so it doesn't cover nearby cells. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Using a reasonably sized image keeps your workbook lighter and more responsive. If the image looks stretched, try adjusting the comment box's proportions until it appears natural. And remember, the picture will show whenever you hover over the cell, just like a regular comment. That's it. You've added a picture inside an Excel comment.